Has your TDS return been rejected while filing despite successful file generation? Yes, this happens often. To avoid, make sure that the TDS return is validated with the latest FVU released by the IT department. Ensure you have the updated TDS software and the latest file validation utility. No worries. TDSMAN user family. Any new release in software or FVU is flashed to users. Simply click and proceed with the updates. The processing takes 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, you are now ready with the updated software and FVU to continue with your returns. With TDSMAN, no more rejection of TDS returns owing to older software version. File your TDS returns with confidence. Download the free trial now. Visit www.tdsman.com.